I had the privilege just now of having an audience and a meeting with His Excellency, the President. I took this opportunity to pass on our congratulations on his election and to commend him on the important reform program that he has set about, which we believe will make Nigeria an even more attractive destination for UK inward investment. We had also the opportunity to discuss the meetings that I had when I was in Lagos yesterday, speaking with business people, entrepreneurs, technologists, and people in the creative industries. We discussed the Africa Investment Summit that the UK will be hosting in London early next year. And we committed to work even more closely still on important issues of defence and security, of trade and investment. And we committed to ensuring the UK and Nigeria meet regularly and formally at ministerial level and senior official level to ensure that the good, strong foundation stone upon which the bilateral relationship is built is enhanced even further. I observed that the level of innovation that I witnessed yesterday provides, I think, Nigeria a very strong platform for increasing its importance both across the continent of Africa and globally, and that I felt that it was in the UK's interests to continue our strong partnership with Nigeria. His Excellency, the President, made it clear that he saw the UK as a partner country for the future, and I'm very proud to ensure that we turn his desire for a strong bilateral relationship into action. Of course, we touched briefly on the situation in Niger. I made the point that the UK very much welcomes ECOWAS's and his indeed decisive action, his strong commitment to democracy, and the unambiguous message that violence is not the means to bring political change in any circumstance, and that the commitment to democracy in Nigeria and in the region is unwavering. This very much supports the UK's position. We wish to see peace and democracy restored in Niger, and we will of course continue to liaise with our strong friends in the region, membership of ECOWAS of course including Nigeria, as we seek to bring about stability, peace and democracy to Niger. I very much look forward to seeing a delegation from Nigeria at next year's UK Africa Investment Summit. But I also am very keen to see the creative industries which are so vibrant here in Nigeria play an important part, not just at that event, but in British society more generally. I made the point yesterday that Afrobeats has become one of Nigeria's dominant cultural exports, and I had the opportunity to see a recording studio where some of Nigeria's most successful artists have made their careers. Ladies and gentlemen, on behalf of the UK, can I thank Nigeria for being a long-standing and strong partner, and I look forward to shepherding this relationship to even greater heights in the future. Thank you.